Right then, let's talk 3D printing. It's not just a gimmick anymore. It's changing how we make things. From bits on a screen to real-life objects. Pretty neat, eh? Think aerospace. They're using it to build lighter and stronger parts for planes. In hospitals, they're printing custom implants and even organs. And yes, you can even print a spanner at home if you really wanted to. It's still early days, but the potential is massive. Imagine a world where we can print almost anything. Hold on to that thought, we'll come back to it. So how does this wizardry actually work? Let's dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing. Basically, it's all about layers. Imagine building a house, brick by brick, but on a much smaller scale. You start with a digital design, a blueprint of your object. This design is created using specialized software, which allows for intricate details and precision. The 3D printer reads this blueprint and gets to work. It translates the digital information into physical form. It carefully lays down thin layers of material, one on top of the other. Each layer is meticulously placed to ensure accuracy. These layers are fused together, slowly building up the object. The process can take hours or even days, depending on the complexity and size of the design. It's like a very precise robot, following instructions to the letter. The precision is key to achieving the desired outcome. Different materials, different methods, but the principle is the same. From plastics to metals and even biomaterials, the possibilities are endless. Additive manufacturing, they call it. This method contrasts with traditional subtractive manufacturing, where material is removed to create the final product. Adding material bit by bit until you have a finished product. Clever, isn't it? This technology is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to aerospace, making the impossible possible. Now let's engage the imagination. What if we could 3D print anything? Not just plastic trinkets and metal parts. I'm talking about everything. Imagine printing a whole house, or a car, a delicious steak cooked to perfection, printed, of course. It sounds like science fiction, but that's where we might be headed. Think about the implications. No more factories churning out mass-produced goods. Need something? Just print it. It's a mind-boggling concept. To get to this print-anything future, the technology needs to improve. Faster printing speeds would be a good start, and we need to be able to print with a wider range of materials. Imagine printing with wood or concrete, or even living cells. The possibilities are endless. Precision is key too. We need printers that are ridiculously accurate, down to the tiniest detail. And let's not forget about scale. We need to think bigger, much bigger. If we're going to print houses and cars, we'll need printers on an industrial scale. Section 5. A world of possibilities, applications across industries. Right then, let's talk applications. With unlimited 3D printing, the sky's the limit. Manufacturing would be revolutionized. Need a new engine block? Just print one up. Healthcare would be transformed. Imagine printing organs for transplants, eliminating waiting lists altogether. Construction would become a breeze. Buildings could be printed on site, layer by layer. And space exploration? Forget about expensive rockets carrying limited supplies. We could print what we need in space. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. Section 6. Made just for you, the power of customization. Now let's talk about you. Yes, you. Imagine a world where you can have anything you want, custom made to your exact specifications. Want a phone case shaped like a rubber duck? No problem. Need a new pair of shoes that perfectly fit your feet? Print them yourself. The power of customization would be in your hands. No more settling for mass-produced, one-size-fits-all products. It's a world of truly personalized goods, tailored to your every whim. Section 7. Shaking things up. Economic and industrial impact. Of course, all this change won't come without its challenges. Traditional manufacturing processes would be disrupted. Supply chains as we know them would be turned upside down, but it's not all doom and gloom. New industries would emerge, creating countless job opportunities. We'd need skilled engineers, designers, and technicians to keep the 3D printing world running. It would be a period of immense change, but also one of incredible opportunity. Are we ready for it? That's a question for another day. Section 8. The green print, environmental implications. Now let's talk about the environment and how our technological advancements impact it. It's a hot topic these days, and rightly so. With climate change and environmental degradation becoming more pressing issues, it's crucial to understand the implications of our actions. 3D printing, for instance, has the potential to be both good and bad for the planet. This technology can revolutionize manufacturing, but it comes with its own set of environmental challenges. On the plus side, it could significantly reduce waste. Traditional manufacturing often involves cutting away excess material, which then becomes waste. 3D printing, however, builds objects layer by layer, using only the material needed. Imagine a world where we print only what we need when we need it. This on-demand production model could drastically cut down on overproduction and the associated waste. No more mass production and excess inventory ending up in landfills. Customized production means fewer products discarded due to lack of demand. But there's a flip side. The environmental benefits of 3D printing are not without their drawbacks. We need to consider the materials used in 3D printing. Are they sustainable? Can they be recycled? Many 3D printing materials are plastic-based, which raises concerns about their environmental impact. These are questions we need to address. As we move forward with this technology, it's essential to develop and use materials that are eco-friendly and recyclable. Only then can we truly harness the potential of 3D printing for a greener future. Section 9. A future shaped by 3D. Final thoughts. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of 3D printing. This technology is not just a passing trend, it's a revolution that is transforming industries and reshaping our future. It's a world of incredible possibilities and exciting challenges. From education to healthcare, from construction to fashion, 3D printing is making waves in every sector. We've only just scratched the surface of what this technology can do. The materials we use today are just the beginning. Imagine the innovations that lie ahead with new materials and techniques. Imagine a future where we can print anything. Homes, cars, even food. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination and creativity. A future where customization is the norm, where every product is tailored to individual needs and preferences, making mass production a thing of the past. A future where manufacturing is cleaner and more sustainable. 3D printing reduces waste and energy consumption, paving the way for a greener planet. It's a future worth striving for. A future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand, creating a better world for future generations. But it's up to us to shape this future. We must be mindful of the ethical implications and ensure that this technology is used for the greater good. To use this technology responsibly and ethically, we must consider the impact on jobs, the environment, and society as a whole, to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. This is a global effort, requiring collaboration and shared vision across borders and cultures. The power is in our hands, or should I say, in our printers. Let's harness this power wisely and create a future that we can all be proud of.